Hi, I'm Sandy Steinman, President of Background Checks Express, your one-stop source for accurate, accessible, and affordable background checking. How should employers analyze and utilize background checking information? Well, that's a great question. Think about it. If you spent the money to get the background check information, now what? Well, there's 4 areas that should be of concern to employers when an employer reviews the information they paid for. The first area of background check information that employers review is honesty. It's a given that if an applicant is dishonest in the manner in which they get the job, they are highly likely to demonstrate dishonesty once they have the job. When employers look at dishonesty revealed in background checking information, they have to consider 2 things: materiality and willfulness. In other words, how important was the lie, and did the applicant do it on purpose, or are they confused when he or she made this dishonest statement? For example, an applicant may fail to report a misdemeanor conviction, and when this is revealed in the background checking information, the applicant responds that his lawyer told him it was resolved and they didn't have to mention it to any potential employer. It's now up to the employer to decide whether or not this was an intentional act of dishonesty or a simple misunderstanding. And the line is very thin. You just have to be careful. The second area that background information may reveal to the employer is a lack of credentials. The background checking information may show that the applicant did not possess the required job description, and as a result is just not qualified for the job. The third area in which employers will utilize background checking information is the area of disbarment or disqualification. The background report may reveal that the applicant is on a disbarment or a sanction list and that'll prohibit them from further consideration. For example, an employer may be searching for a CPA and finds when they run the background check that this particular applicant has had his license revoked or suspended. He's not likely going to be able to get that job, and the employer needs to know that. And finally, the background check information may reveal that the applicant has some issues in the past, such as a violent crime, that may make them unsuitable for the position being applied for. There's no question that people can change, but an employer has to give great consideration before hiring an applicant with a violent past. If you're an employer, I hope you'll follow this series of videos, because what you learn here could well keep you out of court or keep you from hiring the wrong person, and that's our mission. If you want to learn more about background checking or want to find out how we can help you decipher the reports that you ran, just call me, 844-SCREEN-NOW, that's 844-727-3366, or email me at sandy@backgroundchecksexpress.com. In the meanwhile, please be safe, hire safe, and I'll see you in the next video.